In this video, I'll show you how to create a practice assignment for your students in the Harmono Teacher Portal. First, go to the Assignments tab, then click Create New Assignment. Select the student you want to assign, and choose the piece you'd like them to practice. You can search by catalog number or by name. Here, we're assigning Sonata number 12 in F major, K332 by Mozart to our demo intermediate student. I can look it up by just searching with its catalog number K332 in the score search bar. You can also preview the sheet music to make sure it's the right piece. If you can't find the piece you want, you can upload your own sheet music in the Library tab and then attach it to the assignment. In addition to sheet music, you can also attach instructional audio, video, or PDF files for the student to study alongside the assignment. Here, I am attaching a PDF file which is a detailed analysis of the first movement by Dr. C. Ross to my assignment. You can also leave a note with your instructions. Here, we'll tell our student, slow practice with a steady tempo, then add more expression. Optionally, you can set a due date to help nudge the student to practice. To publish an assignment, at least one practice goal is required. Goals give the student something clear and measurable to work toward. Here, I'm setting a goal to eliminate all wrong notes from measures 1 to 10. You can also create goals related to rhythm stability, and support for articulations and dynamic expressions are coming soon. Due dates are optional for goals as well. When you click Save and Publish, the assignment is sent to the student app and is ready to practice. You can now see your assignment notes, attached resources, and goals in the Assignment Details page. As your student works on the assignment, you'll be able to review them under practice sessions.